Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are well at home and your family is also doing well. Okay? Yes, children. So, previous period of English, we have completed the second number chapter of the grammar, that is noun, singular, and plural. Right? Yes. So, at the end of that period, I gave you this question number E as the homework. But from that question number E, first three sentences, I told you how to solve it. Okay, so today we are going to cross check the answers. So the first sentence is, I bought a dash today. The answer is a pair of pyjamas. My sister gifted two dash to me. Answer is two pairs of jeans. Third one. Dash is one of my favorite subject. Mathematics is one of my favorite subject. These are the answers, okay? So this page I gave you as a homework. So please cross check the answers. Fourth, there is a lot of dash in our house. Furniture. Furniture. Fifth number. Now, where did I keep my dash headphones? And the answer is headphones. Spelling HEADPHONES. Children, here. Yes, NES. Sixth number. I love fresh dash in yogurt. Fruit. What is the plural of fruit? Fruit only. So, I love fresh fruit in yogurt. Seventh one. The tailor lost his dash in bracket scissors. So, what will come? Pair of scissors. Eighth number. The dash are patrolling the area on foot. Bracket word police. So, what will be the answer? Police. The police are patrolling the area on foot. Understood? These are the answers. Now, question number F is there. So, in that question, what we have to do is fill the missing letter from the column B and then match the parts in column A with the appropriate plural or singular noun in column B. Children, first we have to fill the missing letter from the column B and then we have to match it from column A to column B. So first we'll fill the letters. The first number is SPECTACLES, spectacles. What is meant by spectacles? Spectacles means spect. Second number, cattle, CATTLE. Third number, trousers, TROUSERS. Fourth number, fishes, FISHES. Fifth number, mathematics, MATHEMATICS. Okay, now we will match it. The first one, it is a herd of dash. What will be the answer? Number B. It is a herd of cattle. So I match it with number B. Second number, grandma lost her pair of dash. Grandma lost her pair of spectacles. So A is the correct answer. So I match it with A. Third number, his favorite subject is dash. Now children, here in the column B, only one is the name of the subject, that is the mathematics. So what will be the answer? E. His favorite subject is mathematics. Fourth number, aquarium are full of dash. What will be the answer? Fishes. The answer is given in front of that only. Fifth number, I have a pair of black dash trousers. So the answer is C. So match it with C, trousers. Yes children, have you understood till here? Yes. So now we are going to continue with the lesson number 3, that is nouns, kinds. In this lesson we saw singular and plural noun. But in the third lesson we are going to see the types of nouns. Okay. Let's continue. Yes, my dear children. So here is the third number lesson, that is noun and its types. First, we will read this all the images very carefully, then we'll get the idea that exactly what we are going to do in this lesson. Okay, so the children, name of the lesson is types of nouns. Okay, see here. Nouns are everywhere. Nouns are words that name animate and inanimate objects. Nouns also name ideas, qualities, feelings and conditions. See children, not only the name of a particular person, object, things, place. Noun can be name of ideas, name of qualities, name of feelings, name of conditions. Okay? A noun is a word that is used to name an object, that is concrete noun, tree, substance, material noun, that is cotton, and idea, that is abstract noun, peace. Then see here in this image, you will see the different kinds of nouns. Common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, uncountable noun, plural nouns, compound nouns, gender nouns, collective, singular and nouns, countable nouns, concrete nouns, etc. So these are the types of nouns which we are going to see. A common noun is a word that names a class of person, animal, place or thing. Usually, normally we are using the common noun, that is the generalized. It is the name of a person, animal, place or thing. Then a collective noun is a word that names a group of people, animals, places or things. See children, a collective noun is a word which considered to be a group. Collectively it is given. Then it may be a group of people, it may be a group of animal, it may be a group of, it may be many places or it may be a group of things. This is all is known as collective nouns. See here you can see the example of that collective noun. The zebra strayed away from its herd. Now here children, in this sentence, zebra is a common noun and herd is a collective noun. What is meant by herd? Herd means it is a group of zebras, group of animals. So they all animals are standing together. That is why it is known as herd and that is why it is collective nouns. Then an abstract noun is a word that names a quality, feeling, idea or condition of someone or something that cannot be touched. An abstract noun is uncountable. Now here children, in the case of abstract noun, it is not name of a particular place, people, bird, animal, thing. Abstract noun means it is a name of a quality, it is a name of a feeling, it is a name of a condition, idea. This is known as abstract noun and it cannot be touched. Okay. So the abstract noun is uncountable. We can't count the abstract nouns. Here is the example of the abstract noun. He is a man of wisdom. Here children, wisdom is the name of, it is the abstract noun. Next. A countable noun has singular and plural forms and can be written with a number. Very simple children. Countable noun means the nouns which can be count. Okay, and they can be written by number. An uncountable noun is a mass noun. It cannot be written with a number before it. Uncountable noun is a mass noun. We can't count it. So it cannot be written with a number before it. Common nouns can be classified into 4 genders. Now here gender starts children. Common nouns are there. They can be classified into 4 genders. Feminine, masculine, common, neuter. These are the 4 types of gender. For example, men are to women. Men are masculine gender, women are feminine gender. Same in the case of animals, bulls are the masculine gender and cows are the feminine gender. Words that are of common gender do not indicate if a noun is male or female. For example, agent, child, baker, doctor, nurse, musician, right? These nouns cannot indicate that whether that particular person is a male or female. है ना? They are known as common gender. And last, a proper noun is a special name given to someone, something or some place. Proper noun means it is a particular noun which is given to someone, which is given to something or which is given to particular place. They are known as the proper noun. Okay, so these are the basic things which we are going to see in this chapter. So now we are going to continue with the textbook. Children, so total there are 4 types of nouns. Common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun. Now here, the name given to a non-specific person or thing, that is student, teacher, man, woman, animal, dinosaur, meat, cheese, etc. Then proper noun refers to a scientific person or thing and requires a capital letter. Paul, Queen's, August, Shakespeare's, Christmas, Pierre, Mentor. Then collective noun. Collective noun used for a collection of people or things. University, organization, army, family, library, flock. Collective nouns means we can collect a group. And last is the abstract noun. Abstract noun describes a concept, feeling or emotion. Ability, hunger, anger, happiness, consideration, freedom, ability, intelligence, thought, purpose, belief. Okay, have you got? So children, these are the types of nouns. Yes. Now here is the textbook. Here what we have to do is, one paragraph is given and in that paragraph some highlighted words are given. We have to classify these highlighted words into countable noun, uncountable noun, masculine, feminine, then proper noun, common noun, collective, abstract according to their category. Common gender, neuter gender, isn't it? Not all, only what are the highlighted word. Means you can see the yellow color over here. That particular words only we have to classify. Now here I did. See here. For example, the first highlighted word is Anush. Now it will come into proper noun, countable noun, masculine gender, isn't it? Carpenter, it is the common noun, countable noun, common gender, like this. So you can read this and this is your warm-up activity. Or you can pause the video and read this. Now here are the types of noun, that is common noun and proper noun. Yes children, common noun are names of persons, places, animals or things in general. We are using it very day-to-day life generally. For example, engineer, town, hammer, peacock. These are the common nouns. Then proper nouns are names of particular person or places. For example, Red Fort, Sneha Sharma, Yamuna, Mount Abu. Here children, in this case, the Red Fort is the proper noun for the forts. Sneha Sharma, it is the proper noun for the girls. From that all the girls, only Sneha Sharma will write the answer. Isn't it? That is the proper, that particular girl only will tell the answer. Yamuna, Yamuna is the proper noun for the rivers. Mount Abu, Mount Abu is also the proper noun for the all highest mountains. Understood the difference between common noun and proper noun? Now here children, one paragraph is given and what we have to do is read this passage and circle the nouns, then complete the task given below. So first we will read this para and then we will circle the nouns. But instead of doing circling, I wrote the answers here. See here. Day, man, montu, forests, aravlis, tabby, cat, hole, animal, hand, tabby, fear, montu, hand, pain, hand, cat, montu, chaman, scene, surprise, cat, montu, chaman, tabby, cat, locality, rat, roads, lanes, cat, chaman, pied piper, riverview, colony, life, rats, life, montu, chaman, rescue operation, then tabby, hole, tabby, legs, hats, bats, rats, one, trio, sunset, rhyme, rhythm. है ना? So these are the nouns which are there in the paragraph. But children, you will circle that nouns in your textbook. Okay? Now we'll see the collective nouns. A collective noun refers to a set of group of people, animals or things. For example, a collection of stamps. Here children see a group which is collected. All are together. It is a group. Then a collection of stamp or a team of players. है ना? It means in this team all players are together. So a team of players. Then they are called collective nouns because they refer to a whole set or group of stamps and players. Collective. Now what is the structure while writing the collective noun? How we have to write the collective noun? First we will write the article, that is a or an. After that we will write the collective noun. After that we'll write of, and after that the plural noun will come. Why plural noun will come children? Because in the collective noun already it is mentioned collective noun means more than one. Many things are there, no? That is why it is known as collective. है ना? One thing can't collect, one thing it is there. But collective noun, many things already there. That is why it is known as collective noun. And for this, at the end of the structure, we have to use the plural noun. For example, a herd of buffaloes. Here a is the article. Herd means group. It is collective noun. Of we have to use, and then buffaloes, not buffalo. Buffaloes. We used plural noun. Then a bunch of bananas. A article, bunch, it is the collective noun. Of we have to use, and bananas, not banana. है ना? Bananas. So it is plural noun. So this is known as collective noun. Have you understood? Then here we have to match the pairs. Now children, I will write the letters over here. Okay. The first one, an army of. See, join the collective noun with the plural nouns. In column A, all collective nouns are there. In column B, all plural nouns are there. So what we have to do is, we have to match it. An army of soldiers or ants. So we will write here. Just a minute. K. Then a flock of, what will come? A flock of sheep. Here will come H. A litter of E. Puppies. A school of fish. B. A swarm of bees. A will come. Fifth number A. Sixth number, a choir of singers. I. Seventh number, a band of musicians. J. A team of players. F. A galaxy of stars. D. A library of books. C. A fleet of, what will come? Ships. A pack of cards or wolves. So last one come G. Okay. Now here, a pair of shoes. O will come. A range of mountains. A bouquet of flowers. A bunch of keys. Q will come. A group of islands. X. A pride of lions, that is T. A string of pearls, that is W. An anthology of poems, that is U. A wad of banknotes, it is N. A troupe of M, dancers. An album of photographs, S. And a crew of sailors, P. Okay children, so in this way we have matched it. Okay, if you want to write, you will pause the video and then write down. Shall I rough it? Then the next is abstract nouns. What is meant by abstract noun, children? Abstract nouns are qualities, feelings, ideas or states of a person, place, animal or thing. They are called abstract nouns because we cannot see, hear, smell or touch them. We can only feel them, experience them. Okay, so abstract noun means feeling, ideas, qualities. Okay, this is known as. Now here children will solve the, for example, heart rate. Heart rate it is the quality. Then justice. Justice means it is the name of idea. Happiness, it's a feeling. Poverty, state. Okay, so these are the examples of abstract noun. Now children, here in question number C, what we have to do is complete the sentences by choosing the correct abstract noun from the box. Now here children, children must be allowed to enjoy their dash. What we have to write? Children must be allowed to enjoy their dash. Childhood. So here, childhood is the one number. Dash must be valued. What we have to write? Dash must be valued. What we have to value? Freedom. Freedom is the second number. Rakesh believes that he will be an astronaut one day. It is this dash in himself that will help him succeed. What will come? Belief. Third number. Then fourth, I have great dash for Miss Brown. I have great respect. So respect, 4 number. Then fifth, when I am hungry, I get very irritable. I cannot bear dash. What will be the answer? I cannot bear hunger. So, hunger is the answer. Fifth one. Our elders are wise because of their experience. We must respect their wisdom. Sixth number. Do not be impatient. Dash always pays in the end. So, patience. Patience always pays in the end. Eighth number. Weather and climate are two different things. Let us understand the dash between them. And the answer is difference. 8 number is the correct answer. Okay? Have you understood? Children, I made only circles and wrote the numbers, but you have to write these words into the gap which is on that line which is given over there. Okay? Shall I erase it? Now the next type is countable and uncountable noun. Children, now here be focused and be attentive. You have to understand the difference between countable and uncountable. Now children, nouns can be both the types. Yes, countable or uncountable. Now uncountable nouns are nouns that we can, countable nouns are nouns that we can count. Very easy. Most common nouns are countable. It is very easy to count. That is why they are known as countable nouns. They have both the singular and plural form. For example, banana, bananas, place, places, bottle, bottles. But children, there are some common nouns which cannot be counted. They have a singular form only. They do not have a plural form. Such nouns are called uncountable nouns. These are some examples of uncountable nouns. Children, here in that box, some examples are given of uncountable nouns. We'll see that what are the uncountable nouns. First one is solids which can only be measured and not counted. Children, have you getting the difference between measured and counted? Measured means only we have to measure, not to count. For example, rice, wheat, sugar, sand, salt, dough, wood, ice, bread, cloth. These things can be measured but not count. Then materials, paper, wood, gold, silver, copper, steel, cotton, these things. Then liquids, milk, oil, ink, honey, juice, water, sharbat. These are the things which can be measured, not the count. Then gases, oxygen, hydrogen, air, steam, smoke. Then abstract nouns, childhood, happiness, honesty, beauty, fear. Then subjects, history, geography, science, English, equipment, Then some other words, that is equipment, knowledge, furniture. In the previous period only I told you that the knowledge, about the knowledge. We can't count knowledge. Give me one knowledge, give me two knowledge. No, it is the uncountable noun. Okay? So these are always in a singular form. Now notice these words. Kilogram, grain, heaps of rice, which can be measured. Logs, planks of wood. Liter, bottles, glasses, buckets, pails, drops of water. This also can be measured, not count. A loaf or slice of bread, isn't it? Now here is the difference given about in the countable nouns and uncountable nouns. So first in the countable noun, they can occur after a or an. So countable noun can come after a or an. Uncountable nouns, they cannot occur after a and an. It can't come after articles like a and an. In the countable nouns, they can occur after many, few, a few, this, that, these, those, some. So after these words, the countable nouns can come. But here the uncountable nouns can come after much, little, a little, this, that, some. Okay. Then countable noun, they can occur after numbers such as 2, 3, 4. But uncountable noun, they can occur after all of the, most of the, much of the. See here, note the difference. Few, not many. A few, small number. Little, almost nothing. And a little, a small amount. Okay. So have you understood the difference between countable noun and uncountable noun, children? Yes, very good. Now here question number D is given, and what we have to do is fill in the blanks with column A with suitable words from the box indicating number or quantity. Then make a sentence using the phrases and write them down in column B in the space provided. Children, here help box is given. In that help box, two, some, a little, one, much, these words are given. So what we have to do is we have to write these words which are from the help box before this column A words. Now what are the words in the column A? Sugar, bread, table, boys, water. So we have to write before it. For example, some sugar, है ना? Or one bread, like this. And then we have to make the sentence of these words and then we have to write it in the column B. Okay, so here I wrote, see, some sugar, and the sentence is, I would like some sugar with my tea, please. Okay, second one is bread, much bread, and the sentence, we did not use much bread much bread for this pudding. Third number, one table, and the sentence is, they sold just one table today. Fourth number, boys. What is the word which is used before the boys? That is two boys. And the sentence is, we need two boys to carry this box. Fifth number is water. So before the water, what is the word? A little water. There is a little water left in the bottle. Okay, have you understood how we have solved this question D? Now here children, in question number E, correct the incorrect use of the countable and the uncountable noun. For example, my mother sent my brother to the bakery to get one bread. Okay, now here what we have to write in front of the, before the word bread? One bread, two bread, or what? So we have to write the uncountable noun like this. Some bread. What will come? My mother sent my brother to the bakery to get some bread. So we have to cut that one and write in that place some. They bought a few milk from the market. Now what will come in the place of few milk? How is it possible? We can say, you can count the milk. Give me few milk. Give me one milk. No. See, a few bottles of milk. So what will be the answer? They bought a few bottles from the market. Okay. So like this, we have to solve this question number E. And here are the answers. Some bread, a few bottles of milk, some sugar, a glass of water, very little oil, a little salt, a lot of happiness, little time. Okay. Have you understood? Then, children, now when noun is there, then genders are also there. So total there are 4 types of genders. They are common noun can be in the masculine, feminine, common or neuter gender. Nouns that refers to male only, they are said to be masculine gender. Boy, man, like this. Then nouns that refer to the females only are said to be the feminine gender. Girl, woman, queen, like this. Then nouns that refer to both male and female are said to be in the common gender. For example, doctor, singer, है ना, musician. It may be a boy, it may be a girl, है ना, they are the common gender. And last, noun that refer to the objects that or non-living things are said to be in the neuter gender. For example, radio, pencil, skirt, star, river, है ना, they are followed by neuter gender. See, here are the examples given. Man, stallion, gander, king, brother, masculine gender. Woman, mare, goose, queen, sister, feminine gender. Doctor, student, engineer, parent, nurse, these are the common genders. Radio, pencil, skirt, star, river, these are the neuter gender. So have you understood the difference between the genders? Masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender and neuter gender. Now children, this one is the homework for you. Now what we have to do here is underline the nouns and say whether they are in the masculine, feminine, common or neuter gender. Total children, here 8 sentences are given. So first we have to underline the nouns which are there in the sentence, and then we have to classify that nouns whether it is the masculine, feminine, common or neuter. This is the home task for you. In the next period we will cross check it. Okay. Now this is the short recap or summary we can say of the lesson, that in this chapter we have learned that common nouns are names of person, places, animals or things in general. Proper nouns are names of particular person or places. Collective nouns refer to a set of group of persons, animals or things. Abstract nouns are qualities, feelings, idea or state of a person, place, animal or thing. We cannot see, hear, smell or touch them. Only we can feel, we can only experience them. The most common nouns are countable. They have both the singular and the plural form. Uncountable nouns name things which we cannot count, and nouns that refer to males only are said to be the masculine gender. Nouns that refer to females only, they are said to be the feminine gender. Nouns that refer to both males and females are said to be the common gender. And nouns that refer to non-living things are said to be the neuter gender. Okay? Yes, children. So I hope you have understood the lesson very well. But still, if you have any doubts, any queries, you will feel free to ask me through the mail. My mail ID is ivbct@pratibhaindschool.org. Okay. Complete your homework on time and take care of yourself, your family. Have a good day. Bye bye. Thank you.